So for this video, I would like to share how we can wire to self-holding contactor. So here I have 240 volt contactor, and this is start button, and this is a stop button, and this is a main income MCB circuit breaker. All right. So this is for live and neutral. So live wire. So when you use for the circuit breaker, we have to check the ampere of the circuit breaker, and that will be depends on your requirement. So for here, I'm using C63 is stand for 63 ampere. Then the voltage incoming is up to 415, which is a 3-phase. And inside the bracket there's 240 volt. So this circuit breaker you can use both 415 or 240 volt, right? So that's important. All right, so one is a live wire and the other one is a neutral. So I turn it on the main power switch, and so now this is the main income is off. If I on the circuit breaker, then I can start. Right, on, off, on, off. But this is the main switch, right? So to choose the contactor, we have to see the contactor coil. So here there is written here 240 volt contactor. So this contactor is 240 volt. That's very important. And when you want to purchase your contactor, you must choose the coil. So this coil is 240 volt, right? So there is 415, and there is 110, and there is even 110 DC or 12 volt DC. All right, there is many different voltage. So very important, you have to choose the right voltage of the contactor. Some will be right here, and some will be right on the body here. Right, so let me test with multimeter. So multimeter, this is continuity. All right, the battery is low. Anyway, there's connectivity here. All right, to check that from point 1 to point 1 here, this is normally open. Now it's normally open. All right, so there is contact Y2 to Y2, right? So this contactor will be connect once the coil is supplied. Right? So now the normal position, there is no supply voltage, there is no turning on the coil. So this is open circuit. All right, so to make it connect this point 1 to point 1, point 2 to point 2, 3 to 3, 4 to 4, we have to supply 240 volt the voltage here. Then the things contactor will be connect, then they will have contact. Right, so to make a connection, we have to supply 240 volt according to the coil voltage. Then the contactor will be turning on. Then this point 1 to point 1, point 2 to point 2, 3 to 3, 4 to 4, these 4 connection will be connected. Right, so to do that, now all is the open circuit. So first, so this is live and then neutral. So live we connect to A1, and neutral we connect to A2 here. Right, so now okay, let me turn on the MCB, and let's see. Right, so we can see the contactor is already turning on. Let's check the connectivity here. So point 1 to by 1. Alright, so 1 to 1. So there is connectivity. 2 to 2, 3 to 3, 4 to 4. If we turn off, all is open circuit. So the idea that we use contactor is once we want to apply the high power appliance, the high power motor on a fridge or a drill or any appliance that we draw the big current. So by the time we need to use the contactor. Alright, so but here I'm not going to use motor, or I'm not going to use any fridge or the high loop power. I'm going to use just for testing. I'm going to use the light bulb. I just have two, so I'm going to use this two. Right, so to make it on and off the contactor, we need to have the switch, or otherwise all the time we need to control from the MCB. This is not a good idea. So in between here I'm going to use the switch. Right, so make sure you right now it's on. Right, make sure you power off. So live to A1 and neutral to A2. So I remove live, I remove, neutral is remain here. So to check this switch, we're going to use multimeter for testing the switches either is work. Alright, so there is C. C we stand for common, and C and normally close. Alright, so now before I press, the switch is already on. So if I push, then the switch is off. So this is we call push to off. Right, then the other one is COM, normally open. Alright, so now is off mode. If I press, then the switch will be turning on. Right, so one is push to on and the other one is push to off. Get back to the wiring. Right, so this live and the neutral already connect to A2 here. Right, so live wire we connect to C. C is a stand for common pin of the switch, common, and out from NC, which is normally closed. We out from NC, and we connect back to C. C is stand for common pin and common in, out from normally open here. And we connect to the coil of the contactor. Alright, so live wire, okay, in, out, and in, out. Alright, so let's turn it on back the MCB. Okay, I already turned it on, but once you press the switch, the contactor will be turned off. But once you release your hand, then the contactor is off back. So this will be nothing's effect because this is pushed to off. In between there is already pushed to on. So to use this two switch, nobody is going to hold all the time to make it on. So how we are going to make, once you press, the contactor will on and hold by itself. Alright, so turn it off. Okay. So we have to loop the wire. We have to get one more output from normally close here. So from the out, you need to get the cable from the out, from here, normally close side. Right, so this side is in and this two is out. So the out we connect to here, this side of the contactor. So you can use this this side, or you can use here, or you can use here, but I'm going to use from here so that I can simply connect here. This is more closest to wiring, more simple. Not necessary this, not necessary that. You can use either one, but make sure your wiring must be correct. So I'm going to use for this side. Okay, so now we get another output from here that we connect to this side. So still will be the same. Alright, we turn it on the MCB and let's check. Still the same. Still you cannot hold it. Alright, so off it back. So to do that, from the live input, we need to loop to here. So live, from the live, we looped to this row. Alright, so this is the row that's the live and live. Then we connect to this side. So we turn it on the MCB again. Okay, this time. Alright, so this time already turn it on. On, off, on, off, on, off. So now the contactor, we hold it by itself. So now we still can use the 3 loop here. So 1, 2, 3. This loop is already used to make it hold. Alright, so we can use this row as the output. Now we left the output only 3. As I mentioned, this contactor is make sure we turn it off. Already off. The contactor is the idea that used the contactor is to hold the high power appliance, just like the fridge or the aircon or any appliance that is the loop power. So your wire must be the big size as well. I'm using the small size of the cable. This is to demonstrate, and this is to show the idea that how we can wiring to hold itself. Alright, so I'm going to use one output. Okay, this is light bulb, 240 light bulb. So one wire, live and neutral. Alright, so all this is the input. I'm going to use this first row. So to use that, this live wire we jump over. You need to loop. So the live will loop to the second row. Right, so I'm going to use this line as one switch. So there's live and neutral. Right. So this is the output one. Then the light will connect from here. And then this is live cable. We go through here and we connect to the loop here. And the neutral, we directly connect from here and connect to the input A2 here. So there's one light. Right, so the output from here, live we look here, and the output we connect to the light bulb, and the neutral we connect to the neutral here. Alright, so turn it on the MCB. Okay, then switch. Alright, okay, turn it off. So I still can use 2 more here. Make sure the switch is turned off. MCB. So another one more light. I'm going to use one more light, and to use that I need to loop. So I already loop from here, then to the output 2, and output 2. So the neutral we goes together with here. Alright, so now I already have 2 light bulbs, and still can use another one here. Alright, then turn it on the MCB. Okay, then switch. Alright. Alright, so if you want to connect one more, then you just have to do one more loop the wire from here and up from here. Then same goes to the first 2 and the neutral wire we connect together here. So I hope you understand, and I hope you like this video, and thank you for watching my video. Alright, I make this video for quite take time, so I hope you like it. Alright, so before that, if you not so clear for that video, and I still have a diagram on here, alright, so maybe you can be more easily understand. So this is main MCB live wire, we comes to push to off COM, and out from normally closed, and we connect to push to on COM, and we out there from normally open here. The A1 is live input, and the neutral wire from the main MCB we directly connect to A2, which is the neutral input. So to hold that, we need to have one more wire from normally closed, and we connect to this side of the contactor. So we're going to use one row here. So to hold that, the live wire we link to here. So now we can be hold the contactor. Right, the contactor can be held by itself already. Right, so to use the loop, we still need we left 3 output here. So to use one output, we have to have live wire. We loop from these pins, and if you want to use this, then you need to loop, and all this is the output. Alright, so I hope you understand, and I hope you like this video, and thank you for watching my video.